Welcome students. Now we are going to discuss about Maxwell's bridge. Maxwell's bridge is one of the advanced version of Wheatstone bridge, and this bridge is used for measurement of self-inductance of the circuit. It works on the principle of comparison. It means that the value of unknown resistance can be compared by the known value or standard value. There are two methods of Maxwell bridges. One is the Maxwell's inductance bridge. Second one is of Maxwell's inductance and capacitance bridge. This one is your Maxwell's inductance bridge. Here the unknown resistance can be determined by comparing it with the known value of the standard self-inductance. In this figure, R1, L1, R2, L2, R4 and R3. These are connected in 4 ohms. Hence it forms like a bridge, and where R2 and L2 are variable resistances and variable inductances respectively, and D is called as the detector. By balancing the bridge we get L1 equal to R3 by R4 into L2, and R1 equal to R3 by R4 into R2 plus small r2. And this one is your Maxwell's inductance and capacitance bridge. Here the unknown resistance can be measured with the help of standard variable capacitance. And if you come to the derivation part, by balancing the bridge, the first step is Z1 into Zx equal to Z2 into Z3. So by which we can get Zx equal to Z2 into Z3 by Z1. That is Z2 into Z3 equal to into Y1, where Y1 equal to 1 by Z1. So here Y1 can be written as 1 by R1 plus J omega C1, and Z2 is equal to R2, Z3 is equal to R3. From the figure, Zx equal to Rx in series with Lx. So in figure we can see that the Rx is in series with the Lx. Hence we can write it as Rx plus J omega Lx. And these values can be substituted in equation 2. By this we get Rx plus J omega Lx equal to R2 into R3 of 1 by R1 plus J omega C1. So by equating imaginary and real parts, we will get Rx equal to R2 into R3 by R1 and Lx equal to C1 R2 R3, and Q is the omega Lx by Rx equal to omega into C1 into R2 R3 into R1 by R2 into R3. So by this we will get Q equal to omega C1 R1. So these are the Maxwell bridges. So Maxwell bridges are used for determining the value of self-inductances. So these are the Maxwell bridges. Thank you.